channel. This is Jason, and you're now tuned into I Speak Geek. Today I want to talk to you about my experience with the Apple Watch Ultra, and let me first tell you how much I love this watch. First and foremost, I'm an Apple Watch guy, and I feel naked when I don't have my watch. I was a little bit on the fence about getting the Ultra because although I casually work out and hike, the other Apple Watch did the job for me. But that's until I heard about the battery life on the Ultra. And let me tell you, as someone coming from a Series 6, I was barely making it through the day. I was ready for more battery life, even if it meant a bigger watch, which really isn't that bad looking at it now. It reminds me of my old G-Shock. This watch actually gets me through 2.5 days without charging. And now I'm able to sleep track, because before with my old watch, I would charge it at night. And that's because I had to charge it daily. I do have to admit, I was still a little worried about the durability with the bigger screen and it being a flat screen, because I broke 2 Apple Watches previously. Those concerns have been put to rest though. I've had a door smash into it. I've banged it against numerous objects without even a scratch. I like what Apple did with the digital crown guard. My Series 6, I had to turn off Siri just because it would get caught on my sleeve, or I'd bump into it and Siri would activate. I also love the additional real estate you get with the bigger screen. I feel like I can type more reliably on this watch. And as a person who sometimes forgets their phone, this definitely comes in handy. Continuing with the screen, it gets very bright. And I mean bright. You won't have any issues seeing the screen in sunlight. If you use it as a flashlight, it's going to light up the whole room, and which is great. And Apple does give you a few options to map the side button. And I chose to use the flashlight, obviously. And I've only found a few negatives with the watch so far. That has mostly to do with the bands. And that's because they don't really match up that great. And I have a ton of bands because I've had a ton of other Apple Watches over the years. And I haven't really found a way to dress up the watch. I've ordered my watch with the orange Alpine Loop band, and it was a little difficult at first to put it on. I have since gotten used to it, so it has become my primary band. I do wish Apple offered another color option for the watch, but it's still a solid watch, although I wish it was like in a space gray or a matte black color. And this watch may not be for everybody. As someone who prefers larger watches, this is great for me. And if you prefer like a smaller watch, I would suggest checking out the Series 8. And all new this year, of course, is the side button with the siren. And Apple's making like safety one of their primary goals this year. So there is a siren built in when you hold down the side button that gets really, really loud. So functional design and very durable makes this Apple Watch Ultra a solid option. Those are my thoughts. And before I forget, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. I'm Jason, and you just tuned into I Speak Geek. Later.